Hey guys, good to see you again and welcome back to the channel. My name is Emil. Today I want to make a hair tutorial, so I have a second day hair. That is what it looks like. I can tell I have brushed it back, otherwise it would be a haystack. Anyway, today I'm going to reveal some exciting news. Some of you might remember that we launched a mystery box for our Black Friday. It's last year already, yes. And I'm so excited to show you what is inside the box, because that's actually what I'm going to use for my hairstyle today. We have a Gold Digger limited edition and a Sidekick Zero limited edition. And what is special about this launch is that it's sold as a combo, and all of you might probably remember the Gold Digger. It's the first product launched and it's also the first limited edition we ever launched. I remember back in 2016, and it was selling out really fast, and you could see it on eBay for twice the price. So you don't want to miss out on this opportunity. We have a link down below if you want to sign up. And we have Sidekick Zero. It's the second best-selling pre-styling spray. This is, by the way, my favorite pre-styler in the By Vilain line. We also made that as a limited edition, and it's worth to mention that each product is made with a unique code right here, so you have a collector's number as well. And we also specially ordered the bottles. These are the first ever launched bottles in matte black. You can see it's all aligned with the label. It looks super cool. And we also specially ordered the jars. They even have the S logo on the top of the lid. So now it's time to show you what my hairstyle today is gonna look like. And since it's second day here, I need to shower, so I'll be back in a minute. Alright, now I got my hair washed and I used the By Vilain Rush shampoo. So now it's all clean and I'll start just brushing it back. This recipe is the same good old recipe that we have used for Sidekick Zero, as long as I remember. What's different is the fragrance. And this is a fragrance that both I and Rasmus love very much, and I'll use around, I would say 8 to 10 pumps. It depends on your hair. Just need to make sure it is all covered. This is actually the old 9-row brush, and I would like to show the new one actually. Hang on. It's a little bit lighter and it has the same nice black rubber coating. And I can tell I could have towel dried my hair a little bit more when I feel the hair. It's a little bit wet, doesn't matter. Anyway, I use the 9-row brush this way so you can get some volume in the fringe. And when you apply heat to Sidekick Zero limited edition, you instantly get this nice fragrance all around you. It's like it's releasing its true power. Right, now the hair is all dry and I got a great volume, and I like to just make sure that my hair is in the right shape by brushing it back and to the sides to make sure it's ready for the hair wax. And a great tip I actually haven't shared with you before: if you are in doubt of how many pumps you should add of the pre-styling spray, then it's a good idea to actually try to pump pre-styling spray into dry hair, and then make sure that that you count the pumps, and it's enough when it feels all moist. It has to cover everything. Now it's time to apply the By Vilain Gold Digger Limited Edition, and for all of you who love Gold Digger, this is definitely a must-have because it's the same good old recipe. It's a family kept recipe from back in 2013. Actually, we created the recipe already in 2012. And remember, with Gold Digger, a little goes a long way. Heat it up between your palms and you'll feel that you actually activate the wax much better. And do like this and you feel the heat. And just apply a little bit from the back and then move forward. Rub it in and you can actually feel its super strong styling power. There's almost no limit of what kind of hair you can get here. If you want to have a super high hair going on, or just you can also shape it, move it forward, make it a little bit messy, make a fringe if you like that. Or move it backwards. It's up to you. Endless styling possibilities. And call me boring, but I just think this is the hairstyle that suits me. Just like to make a quiff hairstyle and sweep it a little bit backwards. Get the sides down a little. And I do have another tip for you. You can actually use your pre-styler just to rub in a little bit extra styling power. So where did I put it? Over here. So you spray 1 pump, 1.5, and then you just rub the pre-styling spray into your palms. It releases a little bit extra wax, and you can use it for if you have some hair straws that needs a little bit extra, then you just rub it in. And here we have it. Alright guys, this is today's hairstyle and I really hope you guys like it. Please comment in the comment section down below and let us know what you think about this episode. And remember, don't hesitate if you have any topics you would like us to talk about in the coming episodes, write down below as well. And of course, if you find the limited editions interesting, you know what to do. Go in the description, there's a lot more info there. See you guys next time.